This is the S sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now let's look at the S sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the T sound that we looked at previously? The S sound is produced in a similar way. So first produce the T sound. Now do it again, but this time release your tongue slowly until you hear a hissing sound. Tss, tss. Well done, you just produced the S sound. This sound is produced by restricting the flow of air between the tip or blade of the tongue and the alveolar ridge so that it produces friction. This gives the sound its technical name, the voiceless alveolar fricative. Obviously, in real conversation, we don't produce the T sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. S, s. Now, look at these words. Can you identify the S sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. Sea, ocean, taxi, island, exact, face, busy, less. The S sound is usually spelt with the letters S and C and occasionally X. But remember that these letters may produce other sounds in other words. The letter S may also be silent in words of French origin, such as island. The S sound may be confused with the Th sound in minimal pairs, such as mouse, mouth, sing, thing, sink, think, sort, thought, worse, worth. Remember to restrict the flow of air between your tongue and alveolar ridge when you produce the S sound to avoid confusing it with the Th sound in these minimal pairs. Now, let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. The next lesson is history. 6 pronunciation exercises. An extremely complex process. A successful science experiment. The student's accent is excellent. When a word ends with the S sound and the next word starts with the S sound, the two sounds join together, producing one slightly longer sound. For example, 6 seconds. A nice song. It makes sense. This is a type of linking known as gemination. I recommend you watch my previous video on gemination for more information about this. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but can you use the S sound in a sentence? Leave me some examples in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.